Hey, what's going on now? Got some of the walls started to close in. Um, Still working on the rental. I've got, Tina and I bought a bunch of rentals, just to let you know. Back in, a couple of years ago, took all our savings, instead of putting it in the stock market or buying toys and extravagant items, we invested in a few rental properties. Most of them were in not the greatest shape. They weren't moving ready. They were like this one, everything's pretty rough. So I go in and spruce them up, fix some stuff that needs fixing, and then we rent them out. Right now, we've got 4 that are vacant, and I'm going through them and getting them ready to be rented. This one's getting close. But in the meantime, I run my business and her business. She's an accident injury attorney. So she works on her business and I work on the rentals, and I've got an AC business. So, plus all the stuff to do at home, there's a lot of balls in the air with us, but we decided real estate is a good way to go to get, instead of the stock market or any of those other forms of investment, and that's going to be our retirement while we go in the RV and travel the country. Rentals I've been doing for quite a while, probably 20 years on a smaller scale. Recently, in the last 4 years, we've gone into a bigger scale. So, I'm going to show you some of the stuff I do to fix them up, problems you run into, the advantages of doing it, but it's like nothing else, you know. It's like everything else, nothing is easy. You know, you see all this crap on YouTube and stuff about how everything's so easy and people are so successful, but it's not easy. Making money and trying to keep it and get ahead, and you really need to work on it. But hopefully we got a plan. We'll let you know how it's going from day to day. So I'm gonna try to get these walls done and the trimmer on the windows. See, the windows need trim work. I'm not going to show you exactly how I do everything, just kind of the problems I run into day to day. So if you're one of the 3 people watching, you probably won't keep watching, or maybe you will. I don't know. And one day out of the week I work at home trying to fix projects around the home that get neglected. Anyway, I've been talking too long. Later.